Hey guys, so we got our Little Mermaid today. So actually yesterday, all the Little Mermaid warmers and everything came. And the packaging is really cute. On the side it has Ariel and Flounder. Really cute. Love it, love it, love it. And then here it actually has like Under the Sea right here. It's really cute. So as we open it, you have your dish here, which is really cute. And then it's Sebastian. Super cute. I love it. And then here's the warmer. And it has, I know some people don't know really like the placement, but you just kind of slide your cord back here. It's right here. And then here's your bulb. So we're gonna screw that in. Okay, oops. Okay. Alright. So, yeah, here's Ariel and Flounder. This is really cute. It's like really iridescent. Super cute. Take the cord off here. Jeremy's playing with the dog. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. I'm gonna put the lid or the dish on top here and show you what it looks like. Ooh, this one's really cute. Look at this. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. That's really cute. This will like light up any room. I love like how it looks. It'll look like on a wall in the background. That's really cute. Love it. So this warmer is actually sold out for now. We don't know if they're going to bring it back or if they're going to do like a pre-order. So this warmer, I will say, is sold out. So thank you to everyone who ordered. I sold probably like 11 of them. So thank you guys so much again. And this is actually Becky, so thank you, Becky, for letting me open this and show it on a live. But we also have the wax bars, and these are still available. You can add them to a Scentsy Club subscription, and they'll be around probably for at least the next couple of months unless they sell out. So, Kiss the Girl. This one is really fruity, kind of like a blue raspberry. So if you like raspberry, this is a good one. And if you like fruity scents, this one's, and the packaging is really cute. It's got Ariel and Eric and Sebastian. But this one is honestly my favorite, and I ordered 3 bars of this for myself. This is Ariel Under the Sea. And it's very light, kind of floral, but also just like very fresh. Smells so good. It's like my favorite of the princess scents. But I just want to do a quick live and show you guys that we did get the Little Mermaid goodies over the weekend. So thank you guys so much again and have a great Sunday.